In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 39 by 4 using the long division method. 3 is less than 4, that is why we will consider the whole number 39. We know that 4 times 9 is 36. Subtract we get 3. Now 3 is less than 4, so we will put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. Now 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract we get 2. Now 2 is less than 4, so we will again borrow 1 0. And we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 39 divided by 4 is equal to 9.75. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.